Hey there, beautiful people. I am Chantel and I am back with another video. So today we'll be doing Marley twist, which is a great protective style. So the hair that I will be using is the Cuban twist. It's OT27 is the color and the length is 16 inches. Alright, so the only product I'll be using is the Jane Carter Nourish and Shine. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is just part off that section. I just try to make sure that my line equals up to the knot of the one below it. That way the twists end up in a brick lay. So I'm just going to take that product and just use like a grain of rice size just to moisturize my hair before starting the twist. Alright, so now that I have that section prepared for twisting, I'm just going to take the hair and I just take it out as it comes. So what I'm going to do is stretch the hair out, and then I'm going to take my fine tooth comb and comb the ends because the ends have like a hard finish to them. So you just comb those out, that way you can twist the hair easily. Okay, so now I'm just making sure that I have the hair as even as possible, and then I'm going to start the twist. Okay, you guys, I can't explain this, so please just watch. Also, whenever I'm doing my twists, I always start them off with a braid. Alright, so once I finish that braid and I get my hair in the center, I break it in two and I add half and half to both sides of the Marley hair. I hope that makes sense, you guys. Then I add a little more Nourish and Shine to my hair, and then I begin the twisting process. So whenever twisting, you're twisting the twist. So almost like you're winding them or rolling the hair in your fingers. Then I like to take this duckbill clip and clamp it at my root. And what that does is it keeps my hair from twisting on itself. And that will cause a lot of tension and possibly breakage. So yeah, I'm just going to slow it down for you guys, and it's just me twisting the twist. So I'm just rolling the hair in my fingers and then crossing it over. So roll and cross, roll and cross. Alright, so I didn't get the hair as even as I thought. So what I'm going to do is break that half in half and add the other half to the shorter half. And then just continue twisting all the way to the end.
Yeah, empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I'll be sneaking out the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah. Can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more this, but you know I can't afford your kiss. So I'm staying for the night, but then I gotta say goodbye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah. Oh baby, I don't know. I think I'm scared of falling, and I really don't know how to feel again. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Yeah, yeah. I think I'm scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in.
Oh my gosh, your little glasses! Where in the world did you find those? Where'd you find them?
I didn't find them.
Who found them?
Grandma.
Oh my god. That is so crazy.
I had these when I was what?
You were like 5?
5? I thought I was 6.
You started wearing glasses in kindergarten because we let you pick out your own glasses. Yeah, those are the ones you like. That's so funny. Boy, those things are way too small. Your head has gotten a lot bigger. Ooh, we made it. Last twist. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this hairstyle. I keep this hairstyle often. I love the length, the 16 inches. The length of it comes right above my butt. So this is a great length and I love the style. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I am Chantel. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all next time. Bye.